Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing from our friends at Hasbro who sent us this big box of products from Zombies 3, streaming on Disney Plus and airing on Disney Channel. Let's take this box and open it up and see what's inside. It looks like we have the whole lineup of Zombies 3 dolls that Hasbro released. So we've got individual dolls for the characters Willa and A-Spen, who is one of the new aliens. We've got Exceptional Zed and Addison. And Addison we've got also in her new singing doll. So we'll take a look at all of the interactive functionality there. And then there is this 4-pack of dolls. They call it the Leader of the Wolf Pack 4-pack. And so this has all 4 characters, but in different looks. We will start with the 4 individual dolls, and then we'll go to the 4-pack, and then lastly we'll finish with the singing Addison doll. Here are all 4 dolls out of their packaging. Now, it was really easy to unbox them just cutting a few of the plastic straps that bind them into the box. But one thing I will say to be careful for is at the bottom of each box is a little compartment like this. Each of the dolls do have an accessory, a removable plastic piece that comes housed in one of these. So you're going to want to make sure you pull that out, open those up for them. For the 2 aliens, it's a belt and a wrist communicator. Zed comes with his Z-band, and then Willa has both a necklace and an arm bracelet that kind of goes on her upper arm. I'm not sure exactly what you call that, but those are the accessories that should be coming with each of these 4 dolls. And again, they're each sold individually for about $20 a piece. Now, in terms of the details, they're all really well done. These are highly articulated dolls. In the case of Addison, she has these silver leggings, so it shows that the knees bend. They're also articulated at the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder, plus the head. So lots of options for posability. They do have some fun reflective details, particularly Addison and A-Spen. They both have these, I don't know what you call it, but these little hexagon patterns on the side of their face, and those do reflect light really well, plus some silvery accents both on the dolls themselves and on their clothes. Zed's jacket, it is all one piece with the t-shirt, so that is not 2 pieces, it is one. It's velcroed in the back, but one of the details that I really liked on Zed are the ripped jeans. Now, they're not actually ripped all the way through, that way they won't tear and have the risk of ripping even more as you play, but they do look like they are torn jeans, so that was really fun. The doll I'm most impressed with is Willa, especially compared to the artwork on the box from the prototype. With the white streak of hair on the box, it showed it as being something very big that almost didn't feel like it fit in with the rest of the hair. But on the actual doll itself, it's quite subtle, just like it is in the movie, and that is really well done. Also, her top, it's got kind of a leathery texture to it, so it doesn't just look like leather, it also kind of feels that way too, which is really fun. And then also her belt comes down to have this little pouch here. It doesn't open, it is all a plastic piece, but it just goes onto the overall quality of the Willa doll, who in this set of 4, I would say is the winner. Moving on to the Leader of the Pack 4-pack, again, it is the same 4 characters, Zed, Addison, A-Spen, and Willa, but in different looks. So from the outside of the plastic-free packaging, you can see that we're going to get Addison as a cheerleader, Zed in his football uniform, A-Spen in a different alien look, and Willa in a different look as well. So we're going to take a look at all 4 dolls after removing them from the box. This one's super easy to unbox. Everything is just inside. Each doll is individually wrapped in tissue paper, and they're in 4 different quadrants in the box. All of their accessories are already on, so it really couldn't be simpler. And then if you like the box, you can also keep this as a way to store the dolls. So you just put them back into their individual quadrants each time you're ready to put them away. Now, I'm going to start with Willa, who was my favorite doll of the last set. And one of the things that was interesting about this version of Willa is she does have slightly different hair. It's shorter, or it appears to be shorter, but it's also more voluminous. So you can see it's a bigger amount of hair. This may be just that this doll was packed into the box and strapped down flat, whereas this one had room to breathe in her quadrant. But that was a little bit interesting. But the look, it is a more felty top instead of this leathery one. It does have just one little strand of wolf's fur rather than the whole collar on the other one. The pants are fairly similar. It does come with the same exact shoes, same exact belt between those two dolls. For Addison, it's a pretty big difference, mainly because of the hair. So obviously this is her with her regular white hair and then her alien blue hair after it's revealed that she is in fact an alien. Now this doll on the box does show her having fairly full and voluminous hair, whereas the one out of the box, it is fairly crunched down. I'm thinking this can be fixed with a brush, which they don't include any brushes with these. But in this particular case, maybe this is a fluke. It is fairly hairsprayed down, so you would want to try to fluff that up a little bit to match the look that she's supposed to have. Otherwise, it is her sparkly cheerleader uniform. It's not actually glittery. It's just got printed on little bursts of reflective light. And then this one does come with tennis shoes instead of these boots. The football uniform does have padding in the shoulders, so that is a fairly nice detail to have, very true to life. Comes with his Z-band. He's got football cleats. They are actually cleated underneath. And so this is a really great football uniform version of Zed. It is otherwise the same exact doll, just different uniform. The same is true of A-Spen, same exact doll, but very different outfit. This is more of a leisurely look, but you still got their communicator on their wrist. And then the shoes are quite different. You go from these big silver boots to more of a white sneaker. We end our look at Hasbro's Zombie 3 line of dolls with the singing Addison. Now this doll, in addition to singing I'm Finally Me, does have a light up function. It is a little bit more glamorous than the other alien Addison doll in that the hair has reflective tinsel in it. The dress has actual glitter. This one retails for around $30, whereas the other one is $20. So that extra $10 gets you the light up musical feature plus more sparkly accents. And from the package, you can try her out. So if you find one in the store, you're welcome to press on the belt. Here she is out of the packaging. Now this does require batteries, 3 watch batteries, and those can be replaced in her upper left leg with a screwdriver. So that's where that compartment is. Now this does have the light up function. In addition to the hair, which does have a double braid that connects into a ponytail in the back. The hair is different with the added tinsel. The dress is obviously a different version of her alien look and does have a glittery skirt. The other thing to note is the silver leggings. They are solid and reflective on the $20 doll. On the $30 singing doll, they are actually translucent from the knee to the ankle, and they do have specks of glitter in the molded plastic, and so that does create kind of a really cool look. And there you have it. This is the complete line of Zombies 3 dolls from Hasbro that are at least available at launch with the film, which is now streaming on Disney+. You'll find it airing on Disney Channel, and it's also available on Disney Now. Thank you again to Hasbro for sending all of these to us. These were sent to us completely for free for the purposes of this review, and I appreciate you guys taking the time and watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.